Hey everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another set of nails. First of all, we're going to be using the Camisole, which is a kohl powder, and this is a Milky White that I've mixed myself using the Radiant White and the clear. And we're just going to lay them down. I think it was a Camisole first, just in the cuticle area, and then we're going to go in with the Milky White. It's a kind of marble, but I was trying to go with like a line, but without it being too distinctive, the line. I wanted them to try merging together, so that's what this nail is all about. We're going to come in again with the Camisole, and we're going to be putting this on the ring finger and the middle finger, and we're just going to do a very thin solid colour. Once we've done that, we're going to be working on the foam with Camisole again and the Milky White, but first of all we're just going to put that thin layer around the cuticle area. I was thinking the little finger needed a bit more pink as it was getting a bit washed out with the Milky White, so we're just basically going to be repeating what we did on the little finger, but we're actually adding the cotton candy in from T's Beauty. All these acrylics are from T's Beauty as well, and if you're not aware, you can actually get 10% discount using my code Dizzy10 if you're interested. They have some fantastic products. I can't rave about their acrylics enough, to be fair, and soon they will be releasing some gel polish, which I'm excited to give a try. And decided we needed a bit of glitter, so we're going to come in with Shimmering Salmon. I'm just going to add a little bit here and there and trying to keep it in with the lines, if that makes sense. And then I wanted to add a little bit of gold, and so we're using Glistening Gold. And again, we're just going to put it anywhere really, but try to keep in with the line direction. And because I wasn't happy with the little finger, I did come in and try to add a little bit of that candy cotton, and we think I added some of the glitter in here as well. It didn't quite turn out as well as the other ones because of this, but it's only on a practice hand, so it doesn't really matter. And we're going to come in again with that glistening gold, and we're going to be putting this in a swirl on the ring finger. Wasn't really that impressed with my swirl. I feel like I kind of should have used a gel polish for this, because it'd have got a much nicer swirl. It'd have been easier to remove as well. It was kind of sharp. Not sharp as in it was sharp to touch, but it didn't kind of flow, and you'll see what I mean. And once we've done that, we're going to come into the cuticle area on this middle finger and just do like around the cuticle, and then bring it up throughout the nail just a tiny bit, like give it a bit of a tail. This one worked out much better. Once we've done that, we're going to be using the pointy finger, and again we're literally just repeating the steps that we did on the thumb and what we kind of did on the little finger. Once we've done that, we're going to cap all the nails in Tease Beauty's Crystal Clear. I'm only going to show you this one because there's no point me showing you all, and I actually do file off camera because this hand is a nightmare, so I actually take the tips out when I'm filing, which would be boring. So once we've done all that and cleaned them all up, we're coming in with the SBD Tempering Top Coat, and we're going to just top coat all of the nails and cure them in the lamp. I actually got these nails, put them in the wrong way, and after me watching the video to edit, I realised I actually put the middle and ring finger wrong as well anyway, but hey ho. So that's it guys, the finished nails will be coming up shortly. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.